In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change or modify your availability on Calendly. If you're looking to adjust your availability to fit your schedule needs, this guide will walk you through each step seamlessly. To begin, open your web browser and head over to calendly.com. Once there, look for the login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to proceed to the login section. You'll then need to enter your email address, so go ahead and type that in. Once you've done that, click continue. Following this, you will be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password and click on continue once more, and you'll gain access to your Calendly dashboard. Next, you should find yourself on the Calendly homepage. From here, direct your attention to the top menu and locate the availability tab. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the screen where you can view your current schedule. Calendly offers both a list view and a calendar display. You can choose the one that's most convenient for you. Now, to make any changes, you need to click on the time slot you wish to edit. Once you click, a new option called Edit Date will appear. Select it to change your time availability as needed. After making the necessary adjustments, ensure you click Apply to save your changes. If you ever need to remove a time slot, it's just as simple. Click on the time box you wish to remove and choose Edit Date again. This time, instead of changing the availability, you will click on the small X icon to delete the time slot. Remember to click on Apply afterward to confirm the removal. For those using the list view, you might find the process slightly different, but equally straightforward. You can quickly click the X next to any time slot you wish to remove, or use the plus button to add available times to your schedule. Additionally, Calendly allows you to copy times from one day to another, which can be a huge time saver. Simply click on Copy near the times you want to replicate, and then select the day you want to apply those times. With these steps, you've now learned how to efficiently manage your availability on Calendly. Whether you're making adjustments for a day or overhauling your entire schedule, these tools will ensure your availability meets your personal and professional needs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to explore other features Calendly offers to optimize your scheduling experience.